So here's how to fix TikTok maximum number of attempts reached error. So first you want to go to settings. You want to open the settings and then go to apps. So you can search for apps. And in apps you want to look for TikTok. So you can also search for TikTok. And then click on the TikTok app and then scroll down and then click on clear data at the bottom and then click on clear all data. Click OK. Now if the force stop button is not grayed out, you can also try to force stop the application and then you can close out of this. Then you will need to open TikTok again and then you want to press login and then try to log into your account again and see if that solves the issue. Now if you're still having the same problem, what you can do is try to switch from using Wi-Fi to use your mobile cellular data. So you can activate your data and then try to log in again. Try to restart TikTok and log in again. And if that still does not solve the problem for you, what you can do is try to download a VPN from the Play Store. So you can search for a free VPN software in the Play Store. And then you can install a free VPN such as Urban VPN Proxy, which is free. And then you can try to log back in again to TikTok to see if that solves the problem. Now the last solution is to wait for a little bit, maybe like an hour or something, and then try to log back again to see if that solves the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.